Okay. Unnecessary concept of documentation. All right. Right. PP. Arrow. Here. PPL. Here, the rule number 8. They describe the relationship that describe the change in state. Okay? Change in state. That means it describe the relationship that describe the change in state. For example, tree grows. Here in CD representation, tree size greater than C from size equal to C to size greater than C. For example, size equal to 40. Here, greater than 40. Okay. This is the rule number 8. Next rule number 9. Rule number 9. That's 5. Here. Here it describes the relationship between one conceptualization and another that causes it. Okay, the relationship between one conceptualization and another that causes it. Here, X is causes Y. That means if X, then Y. Next example, Bill shot Bob. Here the conceptual representation is CD representation is CD representation. Yeah. Bob. Why? Ops. Health is food. Health is food. Okay. Another number 9. Next rule number 10. Number 10. X, Y. Here, rule number 10. To describe the relationship between the one conceptualization with another that is happening at the time of the first. Okay? That is happening at the time of the first. Okay, here why is happening? Why is happening? Why X is in progress? Okay. For example, why going home, while going home, I saw a snake. I saw a snake. Here it is represented concept of representation is while going home, the snake. I am going home. I am going to home. Home. I saw a snake. Okay. This is the rule number 10. These are the conceptual dependency rules. Okay. The concept dependency very, very important. Okay. Here the different rule. Here the set of conceptual tenses proposed by Chan includes T. T means past. P is past. F means future. T transition. Future transition. TX means start stage to start transition. TF finish transition. K continue question mark interrogative by slash negative delta, that means timeless. C means condition. Okay, these are the different set of conceptual 10. Okay, and next script structure. What is script structure? Here a script is a structure that describes a stereotyped sequence of events in a particular context. Here a script consists of a set of slots. Associated with each slot may be some information about what kinds of values it may contain, as well as default value to be used if no other information is available. Okay. Here, script and frame structures are identical. What are the important components of a script structure? The important components of a script are entry conditions, result, props, roles, track, tracks, scenes. Tracks, scenes. Here, scripting here. The scripts were introduced by Chang. Okay, scripts are scripts introduced by Chang. Chang and Abelson. Okay, scripts are introduced by Chang and Abelson. Introduced in 19 introduced in 1977 that used conceptual dependency framework. Okay, CD framework. Okay, here the scripts are useful in describing certain stereotyped situations, such as going to the ad. Okay, going to the ad. Okay, here scripts consist of set of slots containing default values, along with some information about the type of values similar to frames. Okay. Here, scripts differ from FS, and the values of the slots in the scripts must be ordered and have more specialized roles. Okay. In real world situations, we see that event tends to occur in noun patterns because of causal relationship to the occurrence of events. Occurrence of events. Here, each script containing entry condition, results, props, properties, tracks, different tracks, roles, tracks, and scenes. Okay, these are the different script form. What is the entry condition? Entry condition must be satisfied before events in the script can occur. Okay. What are the results? Conditions that will be true after events in script occur. Next, properties. Slots representing objects involved in the events. Okay. Next, roles. Roles means persons involved in the events. Next, tracks. Track means specific variation on more general pattern in the script. Okay, specific variation on more general pattern in the script. Here, different tracks may share many components of the same script, but not all. Okay. Next component, scenes. Scenes means the sequence of events that occur. The sequence of events that occur. Events are represented in conceptual dependency form. Okay, events are represented in conceptual dependency form. Okay. Example: theater. Going to a theater. Here, script is going to a theater. Okay. Here, script is plain theater. Here, it must be activated based on its significance. Okay. If the topic is important, then the script should be open. If a topic is just mentioned, then a pointer to the script could be held. For example, here, given John enjoyed the play in theater. Okay, John enjoyed the play in theater. A script play in theater suggested above is involved. Okay. Here, all implicit questions can be answered correctly. Here, the significance of this script is high. Okay. Significance of this script is high. Did John go to theater? For example, did he buy ticket? Did he have money? Okay. Here, the significance of this script is high end. Okay. If we have sentence like John went to theater to pick his brother, then invoking this script will lead to many wrong questions. Okay. Here, significance of the script theater is less. Okay. Okay. Here, significance of the script theater is less than. Okay. Getting significance from the story is not straightforward. However, some heuristics can be applied to get the value. Here we have some advantages and disadvantages of script. Advantages of scripts are, what are the advantages of scripts are? Advantages of scripts. Advantages of scripts. One, capable of predicting implicit events. Capable of predicting implicit events. Next one, single coherent interpretation may be built up from a collection of observations. Okay. What are the advantages? Capable of predicting implicit events. Single coherent interpretation may be built up from a collection of observations. What are the disadvantages? Disadvantages. More specific. That means inflexible. More specific and less general than frames. Okay, less general than frames. And next disadvantage, not suitable to represent all kinds of knowledge. Okay. What are the disadvantages? More specific or inflexible and less general than phrase. Not suitable to represent all kinds of knowledge. Here, to deal with inflexibility, smaller modules called memory organization packets, that means MOP, memory organization packets, can be combined in a way that is appropriate for the situation. Okay, appropriate for the situation. This is the script. Okay, this is the example one. Going to theater. Next example, going to restaurant. Robbery in bank. Advantages, disadvantages. And next one, CYC theory. Here, what is CYC? CYC, what is CYC? An ambitious attempt to form a very large knowledge base aimed at capturing common sense reason. Okay. Initial goals to capture knowledge from 100 randomly selected. Okay. Both implicit and explicit knowledge encoded. For example, suppose we read that Wellington learned of Napoleon's death. Okay, suppose we read that Wellington learned of Napoleon's death. Then we, that means humans can conclude Napoleon never knew that Wellington had died. Okay. How do we do this? Here we require special implicit knowledge or common sense. Okay. We require special implicit knowledge or common sense, such as we only die once. Okay. We only die once. Okay. You stay dead. You cannot learn of anything when dead. Time cannot go backwards. Okay. Here we build large knowledge bases. Brittleness, form and content, share knowledge. What is brittleness? Specialized knowledge bases are brittle, hard to encode new situations or non-graceful degradation in performance. Common sense based knowledge bases should have a firmer foundation. Okay. And next one, form and content. Form and content means knowledge representation may not be suitable for artificial intelligence. Here, common sense strategies could point out where difficulties in content may affect the form. Okay. And next one is shared knowledge. Should allow greater communication among systems with common basis and assumptions. Here, how is CYC coded? How is CYC coded? By hand. Special CYC languages, Lisp-like, frame-based, multiple inheritance. Slots are fully fledged objects, generalized inheritance. Here, any link, not just easy and efficient. Okay. These are the CYC. Next, case grammar. What is the case grammar? Case grammar is a system of linguistic analysis focusing on the link between the variables, okay, or number of subjects or objects and expressions of a verb, okay, and the grammatical context it requires, okay. Here the syntax was created by the American linguist Charles J. Fillmore in 1968. Okay. In the context of transformational grammar, okay. Here, this theory analyzes the surface syntactic structure of sentences by studying the combination of deep cases, that is semantic roles, agent, object, benefactor, location, or instrument semantic roles. Sorry, instrument, which are required by a specific verb. Okay. Here, for instance, the verb give, in which are the verb give in English requires an agent A and object O and beneficiary B. That is, John gave money. John means A, agent, gave money, that is object, to the school, that is the beneficiary. School means beneficiary. Okay. According to Fillmore, each verb selects a certain number of deep cases which form its case frame. Thus, a case frame describes important aspects of semantic valency of verbs, adjectives, and nouns. Okay. Here, case frames are subject to certain constraints, such as that a deep case can occur only once per sentence. Some of the cases are obligatory and others are optional. Okay. Obligatory cases may not be deleted at the risk of producing ungrammatical sentence. Okay. For example, Mary gave the apples is ungrammatical in this sentence. Okay. A fundamental hypothesis of case grammar is that okay. A fundamental hypothesis of case grammar is that grammatical function, okay, here are determined by the deep semantic valence of the verb, which finds its syntactic correlate in such grammatical categories as subject and object, and in grammatical cases such as nominative, accusative, and etc. Okay. Fillmore in 1968 puts forward the following hierarchy for a universal subject selection rule. Agent less than instrumental less than object. Agent to instrumental to object. That means that if the case frame of a verb contains an agent, this one is realized as the subject of an active sentence. Otherwise, the deep case following, the agent in the hierarchy, that is instrumental, is promoted to subject. Here, in influence of case grammar on contemporary linguistics has been significant to the extent that numerous linguistic theories incorporate deep roles in one or other form, such as the so-called thematic structure in government and binding theory. It has also inspired the development of frame-based representation in artificial intelligence research. Okay. Here, okay. These are the thematic cases or rules. Agent 2, that means agent. Object 2, that is object. Instrumental, that means instrument. Day 2, which covers experiencer. Fact 2, which covers result of the action. Locative, locational, and option. Okay. The case frame here. The case frame contains semantic relation rather than syntactic one. The semantic roles such as agent, action, object, and instrument are extracted from the sentence straightway and stored in case frame, which represents semantic form of a sentence. For example, the sentences such as John had an apple and an apple was eaten by John. Here will produce the same case frame. Okay. Some optional cases such as time, beneficiary, from location that is source, to location that is destination, co-agent, and tense. These are introduced to capture more surface knowledge. Okay. Here examples: agent. Agent means instigator of action. Object. Object means identify on which action is performed. For example, the door okay, object. Identify on which action is performed. For example, the door broke. Door is the object. Next, dative. Dative means animate entity affected by the action. For example, John killed Mike. Mike is dative case. Okay. Next, experiencer. Experiencer means animate subject in an active sentence with no agent. For example, in sentences, John cried, Mike laughs, John and Mike feel experiencer case. Okay. And next one, beneficiary. Beneficiary means animate who has benefited by action. For example, in the sentence, I gave an apple to Mike. Here, Mike is beneficiary case, whereas in I gave an apple to Mike for Mary. Mary is beneficiary case and Mike is dative case. Okay, this is the case grammar. Here some example: location. This is the place of action. For example, the man was killed in garden. Garden is location case, and consider another example. John went to school from home. Home is source case, source location case, whereas school is destination location. Okay. And next, instrument. Entity used for performing an action. For example, John ate an ice cream with a spoon. Spoon is instrument case. Okay. Next, co-agent. Co-agent means in some situation where two people perform some action together, the second person fills up co-agent case. For example, John and Mike lifted box, or John lifted box with Mike. Here, John fills agent case and Mike fills co-agent. Okay. And next one, time. The time of action. For example, John went to market yesterday at 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock is time case. Okay. Next, tense. Tense means time of event. That is present, past, or future. Okay. For example, let us generate case frame for a sentence using case structure. The case frame for John gave an apple to Mike in the kitchen, or Mike was given an apple by John. This is a case grammar. Okay, clear? Very, very important topic. case grammar, CYC theory, script structure, very important topic. Okay, very important topic. Script structure, CYC theory, very important topic. Script structure, very important topic. And case grammar, very important topic. Okay, and conceptual dependency, very important topic. Okay, clear? Conceptual dependency, CYC theory, script structure, case grammar, and semantic web. Next class we will discuss semantic. Okay. Semantic web. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you to another.